Hello all, welcome back, and let's start with the next section here. Um, so now we have to discuss this part. Okay, so this is very simple. In the container we have column D6 and column D6 half, and this is same. This is also same. So let's start with this part now. So back to here. Let's make it. Yeah, let's add experience section. Let's add a section. So in the section, what I write is let's make some padding. See is p4. So give the class called p4. Okay, and then we have to write. Yeah, got a padding. Container row, two columns. So let's make one container, one row, column D, 6. Okay, so first half and then second half, column D 6. Okay, so in the first half we have enjoy the loud music. So let's make that here. I rate H1. I'll paste it. Enjoy the loud music, and let's make it slight color change. Give the class called text warning, and also let's make it bolder. So font weight bold, and let's make some text uh, below this P with the class called leader. The cell RM40 tab, some 40 dummy words like this. And right side we want image, so you can write an image. IMG tag src. We have images folder slash here experience1.jpg alt nothing class image fluid and the sec ones. I got it, but I wanted a pill, means rounded pill is there, rounded pill, so you get a pill kind of image. Fine, but I want this text and image in the same row horizontally, so that can be done with for row itself align item center, so it aligns in a center. Fine, looks good. And the next I think padding here is looks very less. We made p4, let's make p5, so more padding. Yeah, fine. And then after this, in the next row, image this side and text that side. So do one thing, uh, copy this row, whole row, copy, paste it, and here we have to exchange the column. I mean, okay, like this. Now check, you got this side, but I have to give some margin top. Margin top 5 you take, more margin. Yeah, I have to change the image and the text. So what's the image? This one, and water resistance. Okay, so this is experience 2, and this is so water resistance, and I have to change this color to be where is that? Yeah, text success, some green color text. Okay, fine. And below this, same like this part. So copy this row and paste it. So copy the first row, the same section, paste it. Check once. Yeah, got it. Let's make some margin top here. Margin top is 5, and change the colors and the image. So image is going to be experience 3, and color text I think primary. Yeah, I think text is scratch free, or yeah, feel the touch experience. Okay, feel the touch. Okay, not the feel touch experience. Okay, fine. So we got this loud music, water resistance, and feel touch experience. Done. And after that, we have this happy customer section, and we have a slider. So this is very important now. Okay, it's not a simple image. It is again a columns grid system again. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we have to make this heading and the section. So below this, add a comment, customers. So customer section, let's add a section with the class call p5, and background is light color. So let's say bg light. Check once you got a bg light. Inside happy customers, so different colors. So here I write first container one row, because this is one row and the next row we have a slider. Okay, so row and single column is a single column, and here I write h1, I write a span color, give the class called text warning. So let's say our, let's take happy, and this is customers. So this is going to be the text success, and this is going to be the text primary. So you get, yeah, but I have to keep it center. You can write for the whole row itself text center. Yeah, it's center. Fine. And below this, we have to write a slider. Okay. So below this means let's make another row. Okay. You can write some margin top 3. Yeah, single column. So let's start with slider. Slider means carousel. So right starts with the carousel concept now. It's quite simple. The whole thing is carousel. In this carousel, we have a column. We have in the carousel, in the place of image, we have a grid system with 3 columns. Okay, in the place of image, we have a grid system with 3 columns. Okay, so first of all, let's make a carousel division with a class called carousel and slider, and ID. Let's make a customer slider, and let's make data ride most important. Data ride is carousel. Inside you have to write a division with a class called what? Carousel inner. Carousel inner. In that each is carousel item. So let's add a division with a class called carousel item. Carousel item. So in this carousel item, you have to make a row with 3 columns. So let's start with the row. Column D 4. Okay, so in this, what I write is this image. I write image sassy images folder slash person 1.jpg alt nothing. Let's make a give a class called image fluid and rounded circle. I want a circle image, rounded circle. Did you get? It takes time. And then let's make some width, some 50. Fine. So this is one column. You can write this carousel item active. Yeah, at least you got the first one. And below this, you write heading, right? Name. So let's make a h2 Laura Williams, and next let's take a p lead, no, p lorem 20 tab. Okay, let's keep it center. So row text center. Fine. Same like this, I want another one. So simply copy this column, paste it and paste it. So you will get 3, but I have to change the images and text. This is person 2, and the person name is something, any name you can give. Let's take John Wilson, and this person 3, I will write something Kim uh, Johnson. Okay, looks good. Fine. So we got this. So we only made one item, that is carousel item active. Okay, let's make multiple items. So let's copy the same, the whole carousel item, copy, paste and paste. I made 3 items, but make sure only one item is active. So you delete the active, you delete active here. So only first one will be active. So make the first one active and remaining all nothing. Now check, you got this. But it's not sliding because you have to write the jQuery snippet and this indicators. So let's start with, go to Bootstrap. Here you can search for documentation, components, carousel. If you go to the bottom of the page, there is a small jQuery snippet you have to add. This one, copy back to here. At the bottom of your page, script. Yeah, here I write a comment. Interval 3000, and also what I write, pause, hover, not purse, pause on hover. Okay, and we also make the nice controls to go move backward and forwards. So for that, here only you need to find some anchor tags. Yeah, with the controls. Here you can find some two anchor tags. Copy them. We have to paste it over where is, I tell you exactly, outside of carousel inner. Okay, so carousel inner, I have selected it. Division has closed over here. After that, paste it, and you must have to change the ID. I think our ID is customer slider. This also customer slider. That's it. Now check. You got a small these things. Can we make it outside of this division also? One second, I can make it at least outside of it. Yeah, you got little better. I made outside of which one it is? I think I made it complete outside of the carousel. Along with the carousel, I made it. Okay, your choice. You can make either here or here. So we got it. Yeah, it's rotating. Okay, you want, you can add even nice animation also. If you want to write animation, I show you. First one, the first column D4, you write animated, zoom in, slide in, zoom in, delay 1 second. Okay, so copy the same, paste it here, delay 2 seconds, paste it here, delay 3 seconds. If it is 3, then the complete carousel has to be of 4 seconds. So make it 4. So 1, 2, 3, and last is 4. Check once, 2, 3, and next one we are not apply. So copy this, paste it for 1 second, and paste it 2 seconds, and paste 3 seconds, and lastly here column, paste it 1 second, and this is for 2 seconds, and the last one is 3 seconds. Done. Check now. Happy customers, we got this, and automatically it slides. Next one. Okay. Okay, so that's slider of customers, and next we have subscribe section and this part. Okay, it's very simple. Again, it's a container row in the center of a column. Starts with this part now, and here again we have a background image with nice overlay on top of it. So let's start with this part. So below this, add a comment, subscribe section. Let's write a section with the class called p5, and we write, but actually the whole section we have to give some image, right? Okay, so let's say subscribe minus section. As of now, just delete the p5. We'll write after some time. Subscribe section, in that I write a division with the class call subscribe overlay. Subscribe overlay. Inside I want this text. I write a division. I write a h1. So why are you waiting for? Not why, it's what. What are you waiting for? And then one form. Fine, let's take this part now. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it's here. You have to give some nice padding. You can just say P5. Okay, so let's make some nice background image for this. So subscribe section, copy style.css. So dot subscribe section. I write same like this, copy and paste it. You get, oh, not 100 VH. Don't add this. Sorry, not that one. Don't add the height. You get this, fine. And overlay. So dot subscribe overlay. Let's make a background image and 100% background color. Yes, looks good. And keep the text center. That's go back here. Give a class called text white and text center. Okay, let's come center. And below this, we have to make a form. So let's start with a form. I write a division with the class called form group. Inside I write input type equal to text, or else let's take a type is email. Give the class called form control. Let's make a placeholder some abc at gmail.com. This for uh, understanding purpose. And let's make another division. Let's make input type equal to submit and the value goes to subscribe. And give the class btn minus light color. Fine, and I have to keep it side by side. So for the whole form, you can write a class called form inline. So that's it's a form inline, but I have to keep it center. Mm, you can write. Um, you can do one thing. Can you write the flex and text center, align item center, justify content center. Okay, looks good. So we got this part done. And the last thing is we have to make a footer. So footer with this part and this one. So this is 8 column layout and this is 4 column layout. So after all this, let's add a comment. So main footer. Let's add a footer. Footer with the class call P3 BG light and then one container, one row, single call MD8. Call MD8. And we need this about us, contact us links. Let's make an anchor tag hash. Let's make a about us one pipe symbol. So about us, contact us, and something called terms of use, and what was the last one? Privacy policy. Okay, and last one is not required. Check once. Got it. Okay, so below this, I write a paragraph with the class called margin top. What I'm doing, margin top 2, Let's make a copyright.
Yeah.
So copyright ampersand copy 2020, comma. What you have is Hippi mobiles. Hippi mobiles. Okay. Fine. So lastly, you can write another paragraph. Let's say all rights reserved. Fine. And the right side column, you have to make another column. So it's a column D. 4. I write here. Thing is social media icons. So I tag the class FA minus Facebook Square. It's not FA, it's a Facebook. FAB is a brand. So check now. I got a Facebook icon, a slight bigger. FA minus 4x. Color text primary. Okay. Next FA minus WhatsApp, and text is going to be the success. Yeah, it's a WhatsApp, and then lastly FA minus Instagram. It is going to be the text range. If color not matching, you can change it. Fine, and let's make some gap. M3, all the sides, margin 3, and got it. Fine. So that's it. That's the photo. You can even make some links here. If you want to make a link, you can make an anchor tag, and in that you can keep it. Okay, your choice. Fine. So we made a footer as well. So around some 200 lines, yeah, 240. So we have finished this part, right? So let's check for the mobile screen. I think this is working, but this is not working. So let's make. But before that, if I click on features and all, it's not going anywhere, right? Yeah, let's make it. See, if I click on features, it's not going anywhere. So you have to give each section some ID, and that you have to refer from these links. So features, experience, and customers. So first, let's start with the feature section. Let's make an ID, features, and the next section, let's make an ID of experience, and customers is there. Yeah, ID, customers. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So let's start. Let me give the connection for here. Back to the home. Nav bar, features. Features, I write features, experience, and then customers. So ID, you have to match it here. Customers, not customer slider. Fine. So let's check. If I click on features, it's gone. But I want to make it this slowly. For that, you have to go to styles. I think HTML, tag section, scroll, behavior, smooth. Okay, save it. Check now. Refresh. If I click on features, yes, it's gone to features, experience, and customers. Yeah. And lastly, subscribe section and orders. So it looks good. And let's also make mobile screen. Go here. See, it's working. Features and all working. But thing is, this one, I don't want to occupy the whole this thing. So I'll do. Actually, what is this? Search box. Correct? No, search box. Yeah. So I write media query. Media. I write max width 576 pixels. Search box. Okay. So it's a class dot search box. Width some 300 pixels. It was 500. I made it 300. Yeah, looks good. And this is fine. This okay, this okay, this also looks good. Okay, fine, this is also okay, this is okay. Fine. So it's also responsive and ready. Yeah. So that is an example of Hippi Mobile. So please practice on this. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video for some good examples on Bootstrap. So thank you so much, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.